In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can view birthdays on Snapchat. This is a recent feature that they have added, so if you haven't updated your Snapchat app recently, you will want to go into the App Store and update your Snapchat app. Then you want to tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left-hand corner, and if you're using birthdays for the first time, it should say birthdays just above there where it says my stories. But if you're not seeing it there's another way that you can get to it. So how you do that is you go back and then you want to tap on the chat icon at the bottom. Then you can just go into any chat and then you want to tap on the rocket emoji, which is right there. Once you've done that, you'll get a message that says introducing Snap Minis and things like that. Just tap on got it. And then you want to tap over here, not on all, but where it says minis right there on the right hand side. And there the first one is birthdays. So if you tap on birthdays, it will show you which one of your friends have a birthday today. And then once they've detected some friends with birthdays, you can send them a chat or you can send them a snap and you can view the zodiac signs and things like that. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.